Welcome to Driven Flawed. That there means this is a Mark IV Toyota Supra, and I am super excited about this. It has arrived today. I have turned the key, and that's it. We are going to go for a drive. It's a first drive. We'll see what I think. It's got some crazy alarm immobilizer thing that just constantly likes to go off. And anyway, we'll try that again, shall we? Take two. I was waiting for it, and then I heard a car reversing. This thing has just driven in, and not exactly collection day, more delivery day today. But this is a Mark IV Toyota Supra. Got it for a decent price, and hence it's going to come with some issues, but it's been well looked after. It is was a Japanese import a long time ago. Been family owned all that time, which is nice because it means you hear the stories of the car and you find out more about it. You can see the front end there has got a non-standard something going on. It is a veal side, if that's the right pronunciation. It mirrors exactly what they provide. This was on the car in Japan. We know that much. Quite like this. They've done this little gold thing. You can see the Japanese spec tail lights. I quite like the black and the gold. It was one of the things that drew me to the car. I like these wheels in 19s. I've yet to get out. Literally, it's just turned up here half an hour ago, so I've yet to get out in it. I'm just waiting for the insurers to do their thing, and we'll give it a first ride. The first thing you'll notice is the slightly non-stock exhaust. It's a relatively stock car, but the exhaust is most definitely not. Now, I'm not parked in the best position at the moment, so we're going to miss the Mustang. I think probably the first thing I'm noticing is the 19-inch wheels and the 265/30s on the rear, and I think they were 235, something like that, 35s on the front, and immediately this is just a car that feels so different to anything else that I'm used to. Gear change is actually quite sweet. That's not a bad box. It's very short. It's got a nice little punch to it. Oh my goodness me, this goes exactly where you want it to go. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun in this car. It's the old rattle. I mean, that's no biggie. It's a car from 1995. 2-3 years time, that's going to be a 30-year-old car. So as much as we love Japanese cars, they are made of quite a large amount of plastic. This has a weird gear knob on it, which has actually got a 6-speed pattern, which is not terribly helpful. It's obviously not a 6-speed car, it's a 5-speed car. We're going to have to deal with that and get the correct one back on there. This is all right though. Seats not bad. Yeah, brakes are good. I'm not going to get overly excited about the brakes. It's very direct. Definitely has that kind of go-kart feel to it. You're feeling all of the road. the windscreen wipers. Here we are. Get used to the indicators on the other side of the car, and it's a little bit boomy. I own a Mach 1. I don't mind a bit of engine noise, but I feel like the right exhaust could sound just brilliant on this. I'm not sure this is the right exhaust, but the way this is driving at the moment, I'm pretty pleased with. I have never driven one of these before, and this is all right. This is better than all right. I am pleased with this. I can't believe I'm in this little tiny Supra with this lovely big wing, and it's black, which I just love. I'm so pleased I found an original factory black. And it really is on the money. Its steering is just right there where you want it. That is very cool, and it's fun to drive one that is pretty much stock from a mechanical point of view. Obviously I'm going to get a slightly different feel with the big 19-inch wheels instead of the original stock wheels. On the standard cars they were 16, so that's a big shift from the 19s that are on here. The turbos, I don't know whether it was the single turbo or the twin turbo, got the 17-inch versions, but even then a 17-inch wheel is going to have a lot more rubber on there compared to how this feels. But this is giving me some degree of confidence at the moment. I hope it's not going to be misplaced. It is an original SZ, normally aspirated 5-speed. I just know I'm going to have an enormous amount of fun in this car. It's not often that a car gets under your skin that quickly. Everything seems to be working, dials seem to be working. The air conditioning, not at all. I like these little vents, the vents are super cool. I love the way they look, but I'm really not getting an air conditioned vibe from this. Turn that back down because it's just making a whole pile of noise. What's the car like with some windows open? Let's do that. I don't think I'll ever get tired of looking out that back window and seeing that wing. Seeing Supra written on the steering wheel in front of me is just fantastic.
Nice piece of kit, mate.
Thank you very much. Just picked it up today.
Yeah, where from?
First drive.
Where from?
I came down from Peterborough.
Oh, wow.
Well, there you go, you see. Everyone wants a piece of the action. It's a great car. People enjoy their cars. And these are nice blokes. Who clearly appreciates a decent Mark 4 Supra. Wow. That was great. So apart from the slightly over-boomy exhaust, which is all right once you get going, but apart from that, what a fascinating vehicle.